Rather than me just telling you how the course works, let's have a look at it in action. Here's part of lesson 1. Look into means investigate something. The police are looking into the matter. If a student complains about the course, the school needs to look into it properly. You'll often hear this in news reports. When something unusual happens, the authorities usually promise to look into it. Another meaning of look into is to explore possibilities. She's looking into new job opportunities. Many people look into online courses when they want to improve their English. This meaning is less about investigating a problem and more about exploring options. If you're thinking of doing a course, changing careers, or moving abroad, you're probably looking into various possibilities, various options. So I hope that watching that extract from the lesson gave you a good idea of what the lessons are like. But there's much more to the course than the lessons themselves, than my speaking and showing examples. If that was all that was included, it really wouldn't be doing its job, because the phrasal verbs just wouldn't sink in. So along with the lessons, you also have a transcript of what I'm saying, so you can follow along if you like. You have a PDF, which shows you the meaning and examples of use of the phrasal verbs which were covered in the lesson. You have sets of study notes to refer to, so you can go back over the lessons to revise. You have the opportunity to do self-assessments. They give you an opportunity to see if you can remember what you've learned. They'll not only give you the correct answer, if you've given a wrong answer, they'll explain why it's wrong. There are also video quizzes with 20 or 25 phrasal verbs from that particular lesson, of course, with the answers at the end. And that quiz is also in PDF form, in case you'd like to take it more slowly, because the video quiz is timed. Then at the end of the course, there's a full review section. And a great feature is the A to Z reference book, where all the phrasal verbs covered in the course are put together in alphabetical order, with their meanings and with examples. You'll find all the details in the description.